What you doing, Xander? We chilling on the bed? Chilling like villains?
Papa.
Yeah?
Ba.
Box, yeah.
Ba.
I'm not feeling fantastic today, Cam Fam. So I'm just chilling in bed. Lee is having breakfast. Ellie is at school. And Xander is putting a box inside a box. And earlier he put a box on my face. You having fun?
Hi. Didi.
Oh. Is that Mummy's phone box? Yeah.
Mama.
Yeah, my phone came from in there.
It's Daddy.
Daddy has a phone too, that's right. His box is downstairs.
Daddy.
Yeah.
Daddy. Daddy. Mama.
Yeah. We keep our phone boxes. I don't really know why. Lee likes to keep everything, including like receipts.
Mama.
But like,
Mama. Mama.
he doesn't use them. He just likes to have them. We missed Mustache Monday, didn't we, Xander? Should we do Mustache Tuesday? Mustache. Mustache. I want a mustache. He stole it. He stole the mustache. Mustache. I have mustachio questions, Xander. Do I look good with a mustache? Do I look good? Do I look like a Mexican from one of those weird, like, movies where they've all got massive mustaches and ponchos on? I don't think I want a mustache. Hair everywhere. Xander, get out of the window. There's a storm happening. Oh, look at all the rain. Rain, yeah. We're all hiding up in the bedroom. Hope Ellie's okay. She doesn't like storms very much. Xander. Is it wet out there?
Daddy.
Did it get on Daddy? Because our window's a bit open. Whoa.
Daddy.
Daddy's not out there. Daddy's there.
Bum. Bum. Mom.
Oh, are you looking for cats?
Mom.
Cats aren't going to be out in this weather, baby.
Mom.
You really want a meow? Whoa.
Mom.
Mow, 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 mow. They're all going to be hiding inside at the moment. They don't like the rain. No rain, yeah. Get out of the window.
No, Daddy.
I said out of it, not further into it.
Daddy.
You've been acting crazy today. Maybe it's the weather. Let's say kids, like babies and toddlers, and they're in tune with the weather and stuff, right? You behave differently when the storm's coming. It's a raining, Xander. It's a raining. Rain, yeah. Oh, my hair's a mess. Oh, I didn't say. I had like a couple of like contraction-y type pains. How funny would it be if I went into like labour in the middle of a storm? What do you think about that, Daddy?
Daddy.
You look,
I feel
sleepy.
I feel like that would be interesting.
Yeah.
Daddy.
I feel like there's a bum really near your face.
Daddy.
Oh my god, it's like...
Daddy.
Look how like white it is outside.
Are you trying to close the window?
The door, yeah, it's a window door.
Uh-oh.
Oh my god!
Uh-oh.
Oh no, don't stand on Daddy there.
Hey, Daddy.
Excuse my crazy hair. Ellie's just got back from school and we're doing some lunch. We're having, excuse me, carbonara, penne carbonara and some sausages. And Ellie's just handed me this and she said it's me. And then inside she wrote, she said it says love from Ellie. Thank you for being a nice mummy. And then there's little love hearts all over it. And it says mummy there. And it says nice there. And I like nearly cried. And that blob there, that's Ezra inside my belly. How cute is that?
No.
What's all over him? Has he spilled the vanilla extract on him?
By the smell of it, I'd say yes.
Oh, there it is on the floor. How did you open that?
It did.
You just did you?
It did.
Okay.
It did.
A rainbow! Rainbow! Ellie won't keep her coat on, but it is boiling, in all fairness. There's the sun. It's raining over there. Rain coming down. And a rainbow over there. This is like literally my day. Explained in weather. So I'm gonna end the vlog now, guys. We are having a little snack. And Lee is going to make me pot noodle in a minute because I haven't actually had dinner because I didn't want what we were having. But yeah, we've got crisps and obviously I've got that pot noodle and then we have carrot cake too because I wanted cake and I wanted crisps. So yeah, pregnancy win. It has been a bit of an emotional roller coaster for me today. I've just been really tired and pregnant. So yeah, I'm blaming the hormones, but I cried a bit. More than a bit, okay, alright. But yeah, I'm very tired now, so we've put the kids down for an early night because Xander's not been 100%, like health-wise. He's had that cough and like it got really bad. And Ellie just seems kind of tired from school and she has school again tomorrow. So we're going to have a little evening snack and they're going to sleep early. I'm not sure if Ellie's asleep yet, but I know Xander is. And then yeah, I'm probably going to get a fairly early night too. Probably a bad idea drinking Lucozade before bed. But yeah. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like this video if you enjoyed it. Comment down below if you're feeling friendly and subscribe if you haven't already. And go and check out my 36-week bump date video. It's not some of my best video work. I got very frustrated with it last night because it didn't want to upload or save to my phone so I could upload it from my phone or be short enough. So I got annoyed, but it's up there now on the internet for everybody to see, so go and check that out. Bye.